US stocks are trading lower this Tuesday afternoon following news of a downed Russian warplane near the Syrian border. A Russian warplane was shot down near the Syrian border this morning. That's after it reportedly entered Turkish airspace. In response, Russian President Vladimir Putin says the incident will have serious consequences for Moscow's relations with Turkey's capital, and European markets saw steep losses following the news. Meanwhile, here in the US, revised third quarter GDP came in as expected, up 2.1% from the original reading of 1.5%. Also, consumer confidence came in at 90.4 for November, missing expectations for 99.5 and below October's print. Moving on to commodities, oil futures are spiking more than 3% in morning trade amid the increased geopolitical tension in the Middle East. In addition, gold is gaining $7.80 to $1,075 a troy ounce. Here to speak more on gold as the holiday season approaches is Eric Zuccarelli over at the NYMEX CME Group floor.
Well, on a short-term basis, I'm still looking for the momentum traders, and the early indication would be to test at the 10.5 level within a short period of time, having taken out the year's low and a 6.5-year low down here at 1070 the other day. Given the fact that I've been looking for at least $1,000 since the beginning of the year, ultimately perhaps by the end of the year, with that interest rate increase, we could see a test of the $1,000 number, but not in the next week.
And now we conclude with the Forex market as the US dollar is on the upside. The euro US dollar is 0.2% higher at 1.0656, and analysts' focus is on the pound yen pair, which stands below the resistance at 186.40 and remains on the downside. Short positions below the resistance at 186.40 are favoured, with targets at 184.95 and 184.30 in extension. And for FX77 option from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Lelda Smith.